we are coming up to the top of this range, this value area range, and we are getting a bearish divergence on the daily, which is pretty significant. I mean, as you can see, the last time that we got a bearish divergence, we can go look. At an 18% drop. But that is not a bad thing, because 18% drop would lead us kind of right into this golden pocket area, almost about 16% from here. And this golden pocket is of this move right here, this swing low to this swing high. And then this golden pocket is the swing low of this to the swing high of this. But as you can see, we are currently about to print the bearish divergence on the daily with the money flow going into the red. We've already printed the 12-hour. We just printed the 4-hour. So if you're not already in a short trade, then you want to wait for a retracement. And so where we're looking for a retracement at would be from this to here. And I'm going to be looking at the golden pocket to get into a short. But another thing that we can see on the daily is, if we zoom out a little bit, we have ourselves a head and shoulders that is currently breaking out. So we have, we have a shoulder here, then the head here, then another shoulder here, and then this could be a fake out. So we could come up here, like I was just saying, come up to this golden pocket and take a short position from there. And then if we come down here, we take some profits on our short position and we open up a long position at this level all the way down to even maybe this level, because this would still be a head and shoulders even if we came all the way back down to 20,000. So all of these areas I'll be looking to long from if we're getting bullish indicators. Besides just this, especially since we have such a significant bearish divergence with money flow coming down on the daily. If we do come to the hourly though, let's look at how the hourly is doing. We have a bullish divergence forming, okay, with this double bottom. So this is actually bullish in the short term. And if this double bottom breaks to the top, we could see a $30,000 Bitcoin. And honestly, we do have some resistance up here at 30,000, but once we break this level, we don't really have much resistance until about the 40K level. This area, this whole area right here, we got a golden pocket. We have this, which is the value area center, where the most Bitcoin was traded in this range. And yeah, so this is a pretty significant time. If this is a fake out, we'll most likely come back at least to this area and retest here. But we could even come all the way down to the bottom and retest here if things get even super bad, especially since so much money seems to be flowing out of Bitcoin on the higher time frames. Even on the monthly, we look like we're about to come down. But the only thing is, all of these monthly candles and going back all the way to the beginning, we've never gone below again like this. And also, this is a inverse bullish divergence on the monthly. As the price is getting higher, the momentum is getting lower. This is never actually even seen before in the chart. But with all the lower time frames bullish divergences, you know that we have a significant reaction from a bullish divergence. And when the time frames are, like when it's a higher time frame, it's more powerful. So, I mean, we've already had since confirming, 16% move. That is pretty significant. And in that one candle, we had a 39% move. We've already moved up 66% basically from this, which is kind of incredible. But like I was saying, we got bullish divergences in this support area that would make this a double bottom. If we go to the 24-minute though, we already printed a bullish divergence, and we actually could be seeing a red dot print. And since this 4-hour did just confirm, the entry for a short position would be on the red dot for that, on the 24-minute. And that's why I'm thinking up here at the 786 or in the golden pocket area will probably be the best place to short from. If we do though break out above it and we come back and retest this area, then that's a place to long from as well. So there's plenty of opportunities always in the market. You just have to keep your eyes out and see what is happening, and make sure when in doubt, just zoom out. The higher time frames are going to be the most accurate. So we're in an uptrend. We have printed this on the monthly, and it's going to last for months, multiple more months after this. It is kind of dangerous to short, but when the opportunity presents itself, like especially a significant time frame like the daily, especially with the money flow going in, you just have to know that that is a possibility, even with all the hype going on with that one guy making the bet for Bitcoin to go to 2 million or to a million. But don't get caught up in bombastic claims that may or may not actually happen. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Hopefully, if we come up to this, we'll also be printing bearish divergences on the lower time frames. And so, yeah, this is where I'm looking to short, this is where I'm looking to long, this is where I'm looking to long, and this is where I'm looking to long. And if we do break up above this area and we come back and retest, this is where I'm looking to long, right at, we'll go down to the hourly, right at this 28,427 level. So yeah, there's a bunch of trade setups for you. You can use them if you want. If not, I don't really care. I'm going to. So goodbye.